how to remove backgrounds from transparent glass objects in under 1 minute. I will show you step by step how you can remove using free tools, no sign up, no login, completely free. Go to Google, type iBGremove.com. Okay, then drop your photo here, open. This is our original picture and this is our result. Okay, so if you want to edit any custom color, click on custom, choose color, any color, done. Okay, for example, if you want to post this on Instagram story or Pinterest, okay, so select Pinterest, download PNG, check the result. So this is for Pinterest. I will show you another for Insta post, download PNG. There you go, this is the result. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.